In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to do multitasking on your iPad after iOS 26 update. So after 26 update guys, there are lots of drawback because people are not liking this update due to the complication. Now if you want to do multitasking, like if you want to use two applications at the same time or three applications at the same time, this iPad OS 26 update guys, I'll allow you to use your application as Windows, like on your Windows OS. So like if I want to use my this browser as window, then you have to just slide from the top corner like this. So you can slide from the right bottom corner, and you can make this application in any size as window. And now you can keep this, you can keep it anywhere on your screen. Now if you want to use another application at the same time, like my note application, so you can again make it as note app. And now if you want to guys use it as a split view, you can do like this, and you can just slide it down. And you can also do the you can also keep your browser at the set by sending like this, by keeping your application at the left side. So one more thing you can do it, you can slide from the top swipe from the top, and tap on Windows, and tap on move resize, and tap on, you can you can arrange your application by these options, like if you want to keep at left. So this basically makes your split view perfect in equal size. So yeah, that's how guys you can do it. Hope you like it, subscribe for more video, and that's how you can do multitasking till then.